Lovely jubbly, look at it down there, look at that. New beach, eh? Just hit down Derry, down the hill. Here's it getting cold, it's time to bally up, I think. Come to a seating now. I know what's coming. Fucking big old fucking hill there. Big old fucking hill up there. Gotta get up there now. Fucking hell. Try a pint. Get me up the hill. Yeah. Set the first campsite. I ain't fucking stopping there, mate. You can. Yeah, so just wandered down. Determined my tyres ain't suitable. My tyres are not suitable for that terrain. But that's okay. I knew about that. Bloody map sending me right road down here. I ain't fucking getting around here. I have to fucking brave it. I have to brave it and just go slow down them tracks. First set of steps, fucking fuming. Map said I could go round, but it would have taken me through some farm. So I ain't doing that. Come through the fucking path, I'm gonna have to push him. I'm gonna have to fucking drop him steady down here. Yeah, wasn't bad as I was expecting. We're done, we're back on the road. Back on the road, baby. Yeah. Here we are. Reeth. Middle of the Reeth. Did not anticipate this. Would you look at that? Just fucking look at it. Beautiful. Well, that was fucking hell up. Had to fucking carry it up a load of steps. Oh god, pedaled as far as I could. But fuck me. Nearly at Lou. Bloody Lou. Just get out of it, really. Camping in Lou. Get up that fucking hill. Make it camp.
Who's the bad man? Who can draw?
Bit of weather coming in. The river there. Some wind on the boy. Controllers. Dirty, stinking ships. Throw spots to camp. Really poor fellow. Spot over there. Yeah, not ideal. Bit exposed. Lovely view though. Just one for brekkie. Being a little bit naughty. It's gonna make me into sausage. Yeah. It's nice and warm that. Lovely jubbly. Well, it's even more lovely in the morning. It was a bit exposed, but I fucking had that little wall there. That wall was a godsend last night. Absolutely brilliant. Breaking up the camp. Having a bit of a fucking bit of a stretch. Backed up. No trace left. Again. Get off the coast before the weather gets mad. Didn't have time for a coffee. Find somewhere a bit sheltered and have some coffee. Welly boot. Back on the road. Town Bay. Might stop and make some coffee. Let's fucking get it. Love it. Oh god, yeah. Proper espresso, look. Frothy milk. It's like I'm at home. Don't forget to bring a spoon and a mug. Lose the mug now. We adapt, we overcome. And there it is, a fucking perfect latte on the beach. Wonderful. Talent Bay. Cap is up, fueled away. Day 2 underway. Finally getting to use those big low, those real low gears. All my life I thought, what the fuck's the point in that? That's too loose. You can get anywhere doing that, but now I know you're fucking big and heavy, you're going uphill, you want them. Porthallow. Good job it's not raining. Good job it's not raining. We got fucking, I reckon I'll get the bike up that. I reckon. Don't look too bad. No steps that I can see. So we're good to go. She's steeper than she looks from over there. Much steeper than it looked. Oh, what a day. What a day to start the day. Comes to the crossroads. But ideally I'd like to go left and follow the coast. But my tyres just won't do it. They can't, they're road tyres. And I'm just not built for that yet. But next time we'll be going dirty. Right, we're off the cliff face, back onto some sort of road. Next stop, Camborne. Hope it gets easier. Lovely, look at that. Ancestral homeland. Nice day from the bus. Next stop, Polperro. Here we go, on the road to Polperro. Good time. Lovely day. Not too windy. Definitely not raining, so that's fucking great. Yeah, working out pretty good. But the sign's telling me right, but I ain't a car or a motorbike, so I reckon I'm good to go down there. Polperro is just too lovely not to stop and have a pint. Decision made, locked up, into the ship in. Walking through Polperro. Realise it's a little bit early for a pint. All the pubs are shut, so I might stop somewhere, have a coffee and a pasty. Folks, look. Folks, look at them. Crab sandwich. A windy crab sandwich. Where I got my crab sandwich, just there, little calf in the harbour. Really lovely. Fucking dirty cunts with their fucking engines, ragging it up. Fucking hell, pedals hardly fit. Well, they don't in places. Fucking assholes. I made it down, without taking a tumble. Here we are. Fucking dirty. That was super fun. Need a GoPro really, have to do it again. Really feeling the legs now on the climbs. Just not used to it. It's fucking early doors. Early doors. And now I'm just gonna have to fucking keep at it. The bar. Here we are in Foy, approaching Foy in the descent. Missed the ferry by a minute, I reckon. Bastard. Oh, ferry. Oh, fucking ferry. I thought bloody Top Point ferry was noisy. Look at that. Nice day of dilly-dallying. Nice time to get the fucking miles down. To get through it past it. Find somewhere to camp. Boys, you're not really out tomorrow. 10 minutes, that. Easy biscuits, fresh cakes, trains and stuff a bit. Not half as easy as it was back along. Easy going really, but my fucking knees. Are alright. They are in a little. Alright. Fucking hope. Is it a level crossing? Fucking hope we get to see a train. Come on! Obviously it's just a bridge. A fucking fly could have said it was a bridge. Could have seen that. I was supposed to actually go to Specsavers before I left, so you know, joke's on me really, innit? Fucking hammocks! Here we are, Carlisle Bay. Fucking stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Put some air in it. It holds. It does seem to be, but I'm nearly done for the day, so I'm tired. We had to call in for an evac then, thought I broke my pump before I fucking pumped the tyre up, but I think he's got one more pump in him. Back on the road. Every time on us up, look at you. We have to call in the fucking evac chopper. Back in the sun. Fun spot in the woods somewhere. I say not ideal. It's much better than it was last night. No wind, it's fucking cushy warm. I'm going to be fine, no need for thermals. I'm quite happy really. Sucking into some fish and chips. Bloody. Day 3 begins. 31 miles to Plymouth Downs. Sunshine. Lovely. Got a much needed wash. Stream over there. Shame I didn't bring a water filter. There's a few things I didn't bring, but that's always next time. So, puncture number 2 on a brand new inner tube. I'm 2 hours away from Churro, so if I can get this fixed and not get another one on the way, I'll get some new tyres in Churro. Because I've been getting a lot of punctures on the front there, so new tyres. Ooh. I'm out of water. Phone battery's 55%. Just got to a pub, and they don't open for another 10 minutes. But I'm at a pub again. Back underway. After a quick We stopped at a cafe for coffee and cake in Camborne. Lovely little village, really friendly. Loaded some rubbish into their bin. Yeah, we're underway, headed to Truro for a pit stop. New tyres. And yeah, see you there. Windmill! Windmill! He's going for it, isn't he? Well, very side of him. Behind the hill. Absolutely massive. Toad the road. I made it to a pub that's open. Fuming about the Dolphin Inn. We're at the Wheel Inn. Who needs bloody oxtail soup? Shot right there. So it was at this point that the weather started to turn, and so I wanted to keep moving to Truro. Got there, put some new tyres on, and it started hammering it down. I made it to Red Roof in fucking pouring rain, and I threw in the towel, and it was pitch black as well. It was fucking gone 8 o'clock by the time got to a pub in Red Roof, and then yeah, I got a lift to Camborne from there. Getting ready to go out, and there he is. There's my friend the Robin. Where's he gone? There he is. There he goes. Lighthouse there. If you made it this far, thank you. Hope you consider leaving a like and maybe subscribing, because it won't be the last. And I want some incentive to invest in some decent cameras and bits and bobs for the next trip. Thank you.